Lie down on your mat. Keep your hands beside your body. Now lift up both legs 20-degree measurement. Do properly. Don't give up. Hold in position, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Just relax. Just relax. Okay. Once again, last 20-degree measurement. Again, take 20-degree measurement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend your knees. Relax. Take a normal breath. Okay, now Setubandhasan. Interlock cheyakandi ankle daggara, but lift your body. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, do properly. 1, hold in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax down. Just relax. Now hug your knees like Pawan Muktasana variation. Hold in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now roll your body up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax, stretch your legs, lie down on your mat. Okay, next, raise your both hands. Now inhale, okay, observe cheyandi. 1, lift your right leg. 2, only right leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just relax. Then another side, another leg. Okay, get ready. Inhale, lift your both hands. Exhale now, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now lift your both legs, interlock your toe, don't bend your knees. 1, 2, రెండు కాళ్ళు దగ్గరగా ఉంచండి. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Now stretch your both legs. Lie down on your mat, stretch your both legs. Okay, lift your both hands. Deep inhale, then exhale. Lift your upper body, then bend forward. 1. Get ready. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend forward, hold in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now hold your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now do butterfly. Relax your thighs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now we are going to do Chakrikasana. Okay. Interlock your both hands. Elbows asal bend avakandi, mokal straight ga unchandi. Now deep inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One hold in position right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax and release. Then another side, anti-clockwise. Okay, now reverse. Get ready. Relax is the body cool up. Okay, relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10 counts. 10, 9, 8. ఇష్టంగా చేయండి. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now both legs together. Just relax.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.